Hi everybody, in this video I will show you how to create folders in Windows 11. There are several methods. In this video I will elaborate 4 easy methods. How to do this? Let's start. Go to the location where you want to create a folder. On the top right side you will find the new option. Click on this option and select the folder option. In this way you can easily create a folder and put the name of this folder. And now we discuss the second method. Second method is also very simple by using the mouse button. Right click the mouse button and now you will find here the option new and you will find the more option. Select the folder option. In this way you can easily create a folder. Now we will go to the third option. How we create folder by using shortcut keys. In this method, we are using the keyboard shortcut Alt, Shift and N button. By using these shortcut keys, you can also create a folder in Windows 11. In the fourth method, we are using the command prompt interface. It can be a little bit tricky, but it is working well. Now choose the location where you want to create the folder, inside the directory or outside the directory. In this video we are creating the folder inside the directory G drive. Mention here the G drive and put the colon and press enter button. Now our control move to the G directory, and now we want to create a folder inside the new folder. Now write the command to select this folder. Write cd and put the name of this folder. Folder name is new folder and press enter button. Now our control move into this folder. Now we can create a new folder inside this folder. Write the command mk make directory mkdir space and now mention the name of this folder. We are mentioned here method 4. You can see here you can easily create a new folder inside this folder. Hopefully this video will remain helpful for you. See you next video. Bye.